find that there have been repeated misrepresentations made to the court by defense counsel, and I conclude that they were deliberate. I find that there is a flagrant violation of the Rule 14 obligations, and before I decide which sanctions are appropriate, I need to see defense counsel and Ms. Reed at sidebar. There's no greater constitutional right than the defendant's right to a fair trial, including a fair and impartial jury, the right to present a defense and confront witnesses, and the right to counsel, which includes counsel of her choice. So I've just had a thorough colloquy with Ms. Reed. I believe it was extensive and thorough, and she has expressed to me a strong desire to continue with her lawyers. Ms. Giannetti, is Mr. Jackson lead counsel? I just want to make the record clear. Mr. Jackson, are you lead counsel?
We don't define our roles in such a matter, Your Honor.
Okay, so because Mr. Giannetti is not pro hoc vice counsel, and Mr. Giannetti can try this case if need be by himself. All right. But Ms. Reed does have a strong desire to keep all of her lawyers, notwithstanding the Rule 14 violation and the apparent lack of candor, the findings and rulings I've made. So, based on that, I am not going to revoke pro hoc vice licenses. I don't expect to have to address this again. Candor with the court is essential. It's the bedrock obligation of all lawyers who appear in this court and all courts in Massachusetts. A lawyer is only as good as his or her word, and I need to be able to take counsel at their word. So, I'm not going to tolerate false statements, any stretching of the truth, no misleading distortions. There's no place for that in the courtroom. And Mr. Jackson, you stated this very eloquently in your closing argument last time. So, Commonwealth, I am denying your motion to exclude the ARCCA witnesses. Those witnesses can testify as long as counsel complies with their reciprocal discovery obligations. I will allow a full cross-examination, Mr. Brennan, and I will review any proposed curative instructions, limiting instructions, or final jury instructions. So